Why do we crave validation so much? Like, seriously, who programmed our brain to light up every time someone says, "Good job," or likes our post? You'd think we'd be satisfied with our own opinion, but nope. One compliment from a random person and suddenly our whole soul is dancing. Let's talk about why this happens. First reason, validation makes us feel seen. Everyone wants to feel like they matter, not just exist in the background like a silent extra in someone else's movie. When someone notices you, appreciates you, or praises you, it tells your brain, hey, your presence has meaning. And that hits way differently than saying it to yourself. Second, we're wired for connection. Humans are social creatures, even the ones who pretend they don't like people. Validation triggers the same chemicals that make us feel loved and safe. It's basically emotional Wi-Fi, and your brain loves full signal. Third reason, we grew up earning approval. Think about it. As kids, we were praised for getting good grades, sharing toys, cleaning our room. That turned validation into a reward. So as adults, our brain still wants that gold star. Except now it comes in the form of texts, likes, compliments, or attention. Fourth, validation reduces self-doubt, temporarily. Even the most confident people have moments where they think, am I doing enough? Do I look okay? Is this good or terrible? Validation swoops in like a quick emotional bandage. It doesn't heal the wound, but it sure feels nice for a moment. Fifth, we want to feel valued, not just tolerated. There's a big difference between someone liking you and someone genuinely appreciating you. Validation makes us feel chosen, not by accident, but intentionally. And then there's the tricky part. Validation becomes addictive when we depend on it. Because once you start looking for approval everywhere, you stop listening to yourself. You let other people's opinions decide your worth, and that's where things get messy. Here's the truth most people avoid. We don't crave validation because we're shallow. We crave it because we're human. We want connection. We want reassurance. We want to know we matter. But the most powerful kind of validation is the one you give yourself. Not because others agree, but because you finally see your own value clearly. External validation feels good. Internal validation feels peaceful. And peace will always last longer than praise.